Hi, Bill White again. Okay, this time we're going to do a text drag and drop with H5P. Okay, make sure you're in your course, but again, having it in text, it just makes it easier, so you make a nice text file. And again, like with the fill in the blanks or closed style questions, you just put asterisks around the word or phrases that will be you'll be dragging. Okay, and these will just stay there, and these in the asterisks will be the ones that will line up on the right, and you can drag them over to the meaning. Okay, so go into your content bank. Please be careful. Make sure when you click add, look for drag text, not drag and drop, but drag text. And then whatever you want to call it. Okay. And it even shows you some examples, and there is show instructions, okay, if you want, okay. And, but like I said, you just, easier to have it in a text file when you're ready. And then, yep, you're all set. And then again, any settings you want to do. Okay. And then, very easy. You just drag. You're over. Okay, whatever. Okay. It's a little picky at times, but yeah, just, okay. Then when you're done, you just click check, and it will show you. Okay. And you can retry. Okay. So, very easy. Drag and drop. Great for simple vocabulary exercises. And good luck, and hopefully I'll have some more in the future.